Hello dear students, I am very happy looking at you. Today I am going to give the chance to understand shortened form. Earlier you have studied the shortened form or you have studied the contracted form. Today also I like to give the chance contracted form using with present perfect tense. What's that? Very good, contracted form. So under this shortened form I like to give some examples. You can understand. Clear? Let's see what is that. Okay, now you see, look at the board. So under this heading shortened form I have given two subheadings. Those are highlighted in red colored. Now you can see, dear student, so two columns are there. First one, positive, that means positive sentence, நேரான வாக்கியங்கள். And second column, the second heading, positive short form. So this positive sentence will be taken as contracted form or shortened form. I think many of us like to go with the contracted form because of the time, because of the understanding thing, because of the place. When we type the sentence, we like to write, we like to use the contracted form or shortened form. That's why I like to give the chance to understand the shortened form. So every sentence has been taken through the positive sentence. Now you can see. Okay, first sentence, I have played. So I have played, there are three words, that is based on present perfect. So we can make contracted, so we can give the chance as shortened form. I have has been taken I've played. And next sentence, you have worked. Here you worked. So next one, he has written. There he is written. And next one, she has walked. There she's walked. Next one, we have travelled. There we've travelled. Last sentence, they have studied. There they've studied. So dear students, from this positive sentence I have given the shortened form. This title, this activities, this session also is very necessary for each and everyone, because when you see this type of sentence you can understand. You can understand clearly. Clear? Okay? The shortened form is there. I played, you worked, he is written, she is walked, we've travelled, then they've studied. Okay? Have you got it? So when you get the sentence, the shortened form, automatically you can make this sentence also. So I played, you can give the clear sentence, each and every words. I have played. So you worked, here you can know, you can get a words like this: you have worked. So those are two activities there. When you meet the positive sentence, automatically you can make the shortened form. When you meet the shortened form, you can get the positive sentence. That's why I have given the chance to understand. Clear? Hello, clear? Okay, very good. Well, okay, dear students. Okay, now you can see, for a long time, okay, earlier you have studied present perfect tense. From this sentence, you have studied positive sentence and questions, positive sentence, questions, and negative sentence. So those sentences are very necessary. At the same time, I have given the shortened form also for you. So when you make the paragraph, so when you see the paragraph in your writing skill or writing paper, automatically I hope, I believe you may understand each and every words or each and every paragraph clearly. So that's why I have given all the necessary thing based on this present perfect. Clear, dear students? Well, excellent. Okay, for a long time you have studied the sentence formula. Okay, now I like to give the chance based on your exam purpose. Okay, we want to apply those things through your exam. That's why I like to give the chance. Okay, this activity. So don't worry. After so we are finishing this session. Before that, we can give the chance to understand the question based on your O-level question paper. Now you can see, dear students, I like to give the chance. I have got the question from the O-level paper. Now you can see. Okay, the question is there. The heading is there. Activities based on O-level question. Activities based on O-level question. There are several activities available there, but because of the time, I have given only one question here. That is based on, so that is appeared in 2014. So that is very necessary question, not only for the O-level question, O-level students, but also it is available for grade 9 and advanced level for advanced level students. So this question is very necessary. I like to give the chance to make you understand well. You are going to get the necessary information from various texts. Okay, that's why I like to give the chance. The question is taken, the specific question has been taken by me in 2014. Okay, that's all. Now you see. Okay, this is a very good paragraph. That is written by me here, which was taken from the O-level paper 2014. Dear student, can you see? Can you look at the board? And can you see? Can you read the paragraph? The letters, whether the letters is visible or not. Okay. I will read it. Okay, don't worry. I will read all the sentence, and I will help you to make you understand, because this is very necessary for your writing purpose. Okay, actually this is okay. We like to, before that I like to read the heading. Okay, test number 7. If you like, you can see test number 7 from the paper of 2014. Okay, I can read. I'll read the question. Heading: read the following letter and answer the questions. Very important. First What is your duty? First one, you will read the question, you will read the text and answer the question. The questions are available there under this paragraph. Actually this question, this paragraph is is letter, informal letter, not formal letter. So this is an informal letter. We can read it. Dear uncle, this punctuation is there. Anbana uncle, dear uncle. After the Carom tournament, which ended with our team winning the championship trophy, our coach took us to an island here in Malaysia. We are having a great time. We spent a lot of time swimming in the sea. The water is warm and inviting. In fact, we are enjoying ourselves so much. We are enjoying ourselves so much that we get out of the water only when the sun sets. We also enjoy watching people doing water sports like surfing and sailing. Yesterday, we took a boat to the west coast of the island because my teammates wanted to do some fishing. As you know, I dislike catching fish. Fortunately, what they were able to catch were an old shoe and a plastic bottle. We also went on a day tour around this island and saw some historical sites that looked really amazing. The tour also included visits to some places where batik painting is done. Here the streets come alive in the night with little stalls selling all sorts of things, and we really like strolling among the streets buying gifts for everyone at home. We will be leaving the island tomorrow to catch our flight to Sri Lanka. Uncle, I hope I will see you in April during the New Year holidays. Very important. I will see you in April during the New Year holidays. Lots of love, Gim John. So dear students, actually this is a beautiful letter written by Gim John, and this letter is informal letter. So when he writes his letter, he has given his feeling. At the same time, he has given the detail, what did he do there with his mates. And also, he has given the purpose, why did he go there. Everything is there. So when you read this letter, you can understand a lot. So don't worry. So when you have free time, if you can't understand this letter, you can read the second time. Dear students, immediately first time you can read the paragraph, and following the paragraph immediately you have to go to the question, and again you can come to the paragraph. Dear students, very important. தரப்பட்டிருக்கின்ற பந்தியை ஒரு தடவை வாசித்த பின்னர் நீங்கள் உடனடியாக வினாவுக்கு செல்ல வேண்டும். வினாவை ரீட் பண்ணி விட்டு மீண்டும் நீங்கள் paragraph தரப்பட்டிருக்கின்ற பந்தியை வாசிக்கும் போது நீங்கள் படிப்படியாக விளங்கிக் கொள்வீர்கள் what is the answer for the question. Clear? So don't worry. Now I expect from you, you will do the answers perfectly. So dear students, okay, I like to give the question. Okay, are you ready? Can I give the question? Have you got the paragraph? Have you read the paragraph? Anybody from you? Okay, you? Okay, very good. Well, I think I'm very surprised. I'm very pleasure because you everyone, you are very interested to do this activity. Okay, dear students, I'm giving the questions. Okay, let's move. Now you can see, dear students, there are there are 5 questions available there. I have given this question for your finding. You are going to find out the necessary information from this paragraph. This is my expected goal from you. My purpose, you automatically you want to find out the answers. But this is the this is my time to explain and give the chance. Clear? Okay, dear students, do you want the explanation from me? Okay, first one, I will provide the question with a Tamil meaning. Don't worry. The first question is, where did Gimgan go for the tournament? Where did the Gimgan go for the tournament? Where mean enge. Okay, did is past tense. So Gimgan tournament enge ponan. Okay, the next one, when did Gimgan and his team made stop swimming? When do Gimgan and his team made stop swimming? எப்போது, when mean எப்போது. எப்போது கிம்கானும் அவனுடைய நண்பர்களும் ஸ்விம்மிங் நீந்துவதை ஸ்டாப் பண்ணினார்கள்? That is the meaning of Tamil. Next, third, when does Gimgan cope to see his uncle? So very important. When எப்போது. When does Gimgan cope நம்புகிறான் to see his uncle? அங்களை எப்போது சந்திக்கலாம் அல்ல பார்க்கலாம் என்று நம்புகிறான். Okay, next question. The word with an inverted comma, strolling. Strolling means to. Strolling means to. I think during the Nallur festival, Nallur festival, we can see this strolling matters. Many people, were strolling here and there because of their interest to purchase and see the things around the Nallur temple. So that's why the strolling is there. The Gimgan and his friends also were strolling to see their things there. Okay, now the next one. So you want to find out the meaning. What do you mean from strolling? The strolling mean, first one, walk slowly. Okay, walk fast, வேகமா போறதா? Walk in a hurry, விரைவுபடுத்தி போவதா? I think if you know the meaning, one word is different. Slowly there. First one is slowly. The second fast and third hurry, விரைவுபடுத்துறது. If you know the meaning, that is the first, second and third are same meaning because of the fasting matters. Very fast. And first one is different, very slow. Automatically you can understand and guess and fit the answers there. My expectation, you want to find out the answers from the paragraph, which is very, very suited for them. Okay, the last question. Write 2 things that Gimgan saw when he went round the island. Okay, write two things. 2 விடயங்கள் எழுதுங்கள். That Gimgan saw when he went round the island. Gimgan அந்த ஐலண்டை சுற்றி வரும்போது, ஐலண்ட் மீன் தீவு, அந்த தீவினை சுற்றி வரும்போது அவன் பார்த்த 2 விடயங்களை எழுதுங்கள். 2 விடயங்களை எழுதுங்கள். அவன் பார்த்த 2 விடயங்கள். You want to understand what did he see there? Okay, he has seen a lot, but we expected. The question is expect from you. You want to write, okay, 2 things. Okay, they have given 2 blanks. Okay, have you got the answers? Can I give 2-3 minutes? I can wait. Okay. Do you want time? Okay, very good, excellent, very good. Many of you, okay, are doing well, excellent. I appreciate your, okay, work position. I think your interesting session is very valuable here. Okay, dear students, I like to consider the time. Time is going. I want to go with the answers quick. Okay, dear students, we can find out the answers. Where did Gimgan go for the tournament? Anybody from you? Tournament kange ponan. I also did not read the paragraph. I have read, but I did not give the meaning to you. Okay. So let's see what is the answer there. Do you want the meaning of the sentence? Okay, first one, if I give the answers, if I give the sentence in meaning, first paragraph will be available with a meaning given by me here. Don't worry. Okay, now you see. Okay, this is the paragraph. First one, I like to give the meaning, first two or one paragraph. Then you can go it. Okay, okay, first one, dear uncle, Anpan uncle. After the carom tournament, carom board, carom tournament pinner, in the tournament, which ended with our team winning the champion trophy. எங்கள்ட டீம் வந்து வின் பண்ணி சாம்பியன் ட்ராஃபி ஓகே பதக்கம் பெற்ற பின்பு ஓகே அவர் கோச் டுக் அஸ் டு அன் ஐலண்ட். எங்களுடைய கோச், எங்களை பழக்கின கோச், எங்களுடைய ஆசிரியர், ஓகே ஸ்போர்ட்ஸுக்கு பொறுப்பான ஆசிரியர், ஸ்போர்ட்ஸை பழக்கின ஆசிரியர் எங்களை கூட்டிக் கொண்டு போனார். இங்கே ஹியர் இன் மலேசியா கூட்டிக் கொண்டு போனார். We are having a great time. We are having a great time. எங்களுக்கு இங்கே ஓகே கிரேட் தரமான நேரம் கிடைத்திருக்கின்றது. நாங்கள் அனுபவித்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். நல்ல நேரத்தை நாங்கள் வைத்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். இங்கே we spent a lot of time swimming in the river. நாங்கள் செலவழிக்கின்றோம் நிறைய நேரங்களை ஸ்விம்மிங் இன் த ரிவர். ரிவரில் ஸ்விம்மிங் பண்ணுறது, நீந்துவதற்கு நிறைய நேரங்களை நாங்கள் செலவழிக்கின்றோம். ஸோ த வாட்டர் இஸ் வார்ம் அண்ட் இன்வைட்டிங். த வாட்டர் வார்ம், கொஞ்சம் சூடான தண்ணீர், இன்வைட்டிங், எங்களை அந்த அழைத்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. எங்களுக்கு தண்ணீர், எங்களுக்கு அளவான, எங்களுக்கு பொருத்தமான விருப்பமான தண்ணீர் எங்களை அதுக்குள்ளேயே வைத்திருக்கின்ற, வா வா என்று அழைத்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றது, இன்வைட் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கிறது. இன்ஃபேக்ட் உண்மையில் we are enjoying ourselves so much. நாங்களாகவே எங்களை என்ஜாய் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கோம், அதிகம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கோம். we get out of the water only when the sun set. Very important. we get out of the water. நாங்கள் தண்ணீரை விட்டு வெளியே இருக்கின்றோம். when? okay, very important. when the sun set. சூரியன் மறையும் போது தான் நாங்கள் வெளியே வருகின்றோம். for a long time they were enjoying the swimming. we also enjoy watching people doing water sports like surfing and sailing. நாங்கள் இன்னொரு என்ஜாய் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். பீப்புளை பார்த்து, எந்த மக்கள் ஓகே டூயிங் வாட்டர் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ், வாட்டரில் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் செய்கிறார்கள், அவர்களை பார்த்து நாங்கள் என்ஜாய் பண்ணிக்கொண்டோம். ஓகே, அந்த என்ன வாட்டர் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வந்திருக்கு, சர்விங் அண்ட் செயிலிங், படகோட்டுறது, இதை பார்த்து நாங்கள் என்ஜாய் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். எஸ்டர்டே, நேற்று, we took a boat. நாங்கள் ஒரு போட் ஒன்று எடுத்துனாங்க. to the west coast of the island. ஐலண்டினுடைய வெஸ்ட் கோஸ்ட், வெஸ்ட் பகுதி, மேற்கு பகுதிக்கு போகிறதுக்கு நாங்கள் ஒரு போட் என்ற எடுத்திருக்கோம். பிகாஸ் மை டீம்மேட்ஸ் வாண்டட் டு டூ சம் ஃபிஷிங். எங்களோட டீம்மேட்ஸ், டீமில் இருந்த நண்பர்கள் ஓகே ஃபிஷிங் செய்கிறதுக்கு விரும்பினார்கள். ஆஸ் யூ நோ, உமக்கு தெரியும் மடிய, ஐ டிஸ்லைக் கேச்சிங் ஃபிஷ். உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் என்ன, நான் ஃபிஷ் பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு விருப்பம் இல்லை, டிஸ்லைக். ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி, அதிர்ஷ்டவசமாக, but they were able to catch were an old shoe and a plastic bottle. அவர்கள் ஃபிஷ்ஷை பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஓகே பழைய சப்பாத்து, பிளாஸ்டிக் பாட்டிலை அவர்கள் ஓகே கிடைக்கக்கூடிய எடுத்தார்கள். We also went on a day tour round this island and saw some historical sites. So after that, what did they do? So இது முடிஞ்ச உடனே ஸோ அவர்கள் அந்த ஐலண்டை சுற்றி பார்க்க, ஹிஸ்டாரிக்கல் பிளேஸ் உள்ள பகுதிகளை பார்க்குறதுக்கு அவர்கள் வெளிக்கிட்டார்கள். தட் லுக்ட் ரியலி அமேசிங். உண்மையில் அது மிகவும் ஆச்சரியமானதாக, அமேசிங், ஆச்சரியமாக இருந்தது அந்த இடம். ஸோ த டூர் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ளூடட் விசிட்ஸ் டு சம் பிளேசஸ். ஓகே, எங்களோட டூர் வந்து பல இடங்களுக்கு விசிட் பண்ணியிருக்குது. வேர் பேட்ரிக் பெயிண்டிங் இஸ் டன். அந்த இடம் வந்து பேட்ரிக் துணிகள் செய்கிற, அந்த பெயிண்டிங் செய்கிற பகுதிகளுக்கு செய்யப்பட அந்த இடத்துக்கு நாங்கள் விசிட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஹியர், இங்கே, த ஸ்ட்ரீட்ஸ் கம் எலைவ் இன் த நைட் வித் லிட்டில் ஸ்டால்ஸ் செல்லிங் ஆல் சார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் திங். அந்த பகுதியெல்லாம் ஒரே மக்கள் பொருட்களை வாங்கி கொண்டு அப்படியே போய்கொண்டிருக்கலாம். ஓகே, அண்ட் வி ரியலி லைக் ஸ்ட்ரோலிங் அலாங் த ஸ்ட்ரீட்ஸ் பையிங் கிஃப்ட் ஃபார் எவ்ரி ஒன் அட் ஹோம். நாங்கள் வீட்டில் இருக்கின்ற ஒவ்வொருவருக்கும் பொருட்களை வாங்கி ஸ்ட்ரோலிங்காக போய்கொண்டிருக்கோம். ஸ்ட்ரோலிங், இழுவட்டு கொண்டு மெதுவாக நகர்ந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். we will be leaving the island tomorrow to catch our flight to Sri Lanka. நாங்கள் அங்கேருந்து ஸ்ரீலங்காக்குரிய ஃப்ளைட்டை கட்ச் பண்ணி நாளைக்கு வெளிக்கிட்டு கொண்டிருப்போம், நாளைக்கு கிளம்புவோம். அங்கு ஐ ஹோப், நான் நம்புகிறேன், ஐ வில் see you in April during the New Year holiday. ஏப்ரல் நியூ இயர் ஹாலிடேக்கு நான் உங்களை சந்திப்பேன் என்று நான் நம்புகின்றேன். ஐ ஹோப் யூ. ஸோ ஓகே, லாட்ஸ் ஆஃப் லவ், நிறைய அன்புகளுடன் ஜிம்கான். திஸ் இஸ் த கொஸ்டின், திஸ் இஸ் த பேராகிராஃப். டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், திஸ் பேராகிராஃப் வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ டு ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் த necessary information for your question. Okay, that's why you can see the question has been given earlier. Okay, question you can see, then answer is there. We want to find out the answer. Okay, now you can see, dear students. Okay, Jim Khan went to Malaysia for the tournament. The answer is correct. Anybody from you, have you got the answers? Very good, very good. Okay, Malaysia, to Malaysia is okay. Then you can write to Malaysia, and full answer is also available here. Jim Khan went to Malaysia for the tournament. Clear? Okay, next. Okay, next answer. When the sun set, they expect the question, when did they finish their swimming? So your answer should be there. When the sun set, சூரியன் மறையும் போது. So next one, in April or April. So the question was appeared there. Okay, when did he believe to meet his uncle? Uncle எப்போ சந்திப்பான் என்று நம்புகின்றேன். Okay, answer is in April, Aprilil or April. You can write April also is available answer there. The last question, okay, the meaning of the strolling, walk slowly, answer is there. So last thing, they expect, what did they see? என்னத்தை பார்த்தார்கள்? The answer is historical places and batik painting. So answer is there. I think, can you raise your hands? Okay, those who have done this activity, these answers successfully. Raise your hands. Okay, very good. You all have done well because you are the brilliant. Already I have found you. Okay, dear students, I think for a long time I have explained the certain form using in the language skills, And also following the time I have given is an important question from the O level part. Okay, that's why this question will help you to find out your necessary information for your accurate results, for your marks. So time is going very fast. Okay, if I have got another time, definitely I will meet you and give the chance, okay, to give a lot of activity based on the O level question. So don't worry, there are so many activities, okay, I have in my hand, but I could not give you immediately. I like to go very slowly, step by step. So don't worry. Okay, I hope you have understood everything from me. In the future, if I have another time, definitely I will meet you. Don't worry, children. Okay, good luck.